what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting 1/4 teaspoon in each bottle of mine, and what I'm going to be putting in is priming sugar. So priming sugar primes the beer, and the sugar mixes with the alcohol and creates carbonation so that each bottle is carbonated. So what I'll do is I'll put 1/4, probably 1/2 teaspoon in for these size bottles. And these bottles have all been sterilized, so put those in. That's another part of it. You just sterilize it the same way you would with the other iodophor. Now this is a bigger bottle, so I'd probably put a heaping teaspoon of 1/2 in here. Okay, if some of it doesn't go in, then it's not a big deal. It's not an exact science. But if you are going to carbonate all of your beer, the whole 6 gallons this way, you want to use 1 cup per 6 gallons. So what you would do is take a little bit of water that's been sterilized and dissolve 1 cup in it in the bottom of a bucket. And then when you siphon off the beer, you siphon it into the bucket, and then it will fill up and distribute evenly. You can even stir it gently. So then when you bottle it, you don't need to go through this step. You can just bottle it using a bottler, which we're going to do now, and you should have no problems. So this is our siphoning tube with the bottle filler on it. And I have just cleaned this. I will run hot water over it once again though, just to be on the safe side. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be filling this bottle right here. It's already got priming sugar in it, as I said earlier. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the siphon in like this. Now some people, the beer already has alcohol in it, but some people do feel like it's necessary to switch their mouth around with brandy, or you can use a little syringe to get the beer going. But I just usually use the good old-fashioned siphon method. And then you put that in there like that. And it takes about a week to carbonate. The advantage of kegging is that you can actually carbonate literally overnight. And you get a nice, smooth, creamy finish with the CO2. So that is one of the advantages of kegging. So if you can afford a small fridge, I know that Sanyo makes a small fridge that will fit 2 Cornelius kegs. Sometimes we overdo it, but when you push it out like that, that should be enough. And then this beer's just got a regular pop top on it, so it shouldn't be a problem at all as far as closing. You can just close it up like this and put it down like that.